present perfect tense, third subkind of present tense. Okay, Purna Vartaman Kal means with the help of present perfect tense, we can indicate those actions which are complete, which are finished at the time of speaking. Okay, so friends, already I have written here heading present perfect tense and first sentence construction affirmative. Affirmative, hokararthi. Okay, rule, pay your attention here. First of all, subject, then helping verbs have or has, then third form of verb. In this tense, in subkind of tense, you have to use third form of the verb. Okay, then object and then remaining part of sentence. Okay, so it is the first subkind. Here we are using third form of the verb. So already I have written here the use of have or has. Means how should we use have and how should we use has. Already you know it. Just I am brushing up. Means you may get confidence whenever you use have or has. Now look. So you must use have with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Have you should use with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Okay. For example, I have, we have, you have, they have, students have. Okay. Has is used with he, she, it and singular nouns. Means he has, she has, it has or Virat Kohli has. Right? So for your information, I have taken a sentence in Marathi and same sentence in Hindi. So look, मी नुकताच किंवा मी आत्ताच चहा घेतला आहे. मी नुकताच चहा घेतला आहे. आत्ताच चहा घेतला. मैंने अभी चाय ली है. So this is present perfect tense. Okay. So you should try to translate this sentence with the help of this rule. For example, subject, I. So here I have given the use of have or has. What should I use here? Have. I have. Then verb, घेतला आहे, ली है असे verb वापरले. If you want to use take, use third form, taken. If you use drink, use third form of drink. Drunk. I have drunk. Okay. Then object. Chaha. Chai. I have taken tea. And now I am writing RPS at the end. Attats. Just. Or some students will write now. But when you speak, sometimes just or now is used here. I have just taken tea. They use just or now here. I have just taken tea. Means I am giving stress here. Suppose if you are asking me, sir, would you like to have a cup of tea? And that time I am replying, I have just taken tea. Because I have just taken tea. You can use here just, but why I am using at the end? For avoiding confusion of our new learners. Okay, that's why I write RPS at the end of sentence. But you can use in the sentence or at the beginning, no doubt. Okay. One more point I would like to explain here. Look, suppose I would like to say त्याने BA पास केले आहे. This sentence I would like to speak. त्याने BA पास केले आहे. Yes. Subject who? He. Then have or has? Has. He has. Then verb. Pass. Past. He has passed. Then degree. BA. Okay. It is right example. Okay. Means I translated this example. He has passed BA. But our most of the speakers, they commit here minor mistake. ते बोलता बोलता काय करतात, त्याने BA 2004 मध्ये पास केले आहे. इन देअर माइंड दे थिंक लाईक दिस, और इन देअर मदर टंग दे थिंक की त्याने BA 2005 मध्ये पास केले आहे. and they try to translate that sentence into English. ट्रान्सलेशन कसं देतात ते, he has passed BA in and then year. What is year? 2005. So you may think, sir, it is right sentence, but there is slight difference. What? And you are using past time in present tense. It is contradiction. It is not acceptable. You are using which tense? Present tense. No doubt it is present perfect, but main category, present tense. And what about time? Time indicates past tense. So I request you, avoid such mistakes. Don't use past time in present. If you want to use that year, that time, and that is most essential, वापरावाच लागणार आहे, then my friend, you should use past tense instead of present perfect. Past tense मध्ये वाक्य बोला, म्हणजे ते वाक्य असं होईल, he passed BA in 2005. Simple past tense. But here we are learning present perfect, so that's why I use here has, and then I do not use past time. I can use present time. I can use. Okay. So it was minor mistake, but you should avoid. You should avoid. Okay. So I have taken 2 sentences on the board. Third sentence. मला असं म्हणायचंय, तिच्या मित्राने तिचा मोबाईल चोरला आहे. स्टील म्हणजे चोरणे. थर्ड फॉर्म स्टोलन. कसं होईल वाक्य? तिच्या मित्राने तिचा मोबाईल चोरला आहे. सब्जेक्ट हू? हर फ्रेंड. सिंगुलर हॅज. हर फ्रेंड हॅज स्टोलन हर मोबाईल. हर फ्रेंड हॅज स्टोलन हर मोबाईल. ओके. नेक्स्ट, सौरभने MSCIT मध्ये 100 पैकी 100 गुण प्राप्त केले आहेत. म्हणजे प्राप्त केले आहे. कसं होईल? सौरभ have or has obtained. Saurabh has obtained 100 out of 100 marks in MSCIT. Otherwise out of marks. म्हणजे किती असू दे, out of marks in MSCIT. Saurabh has obtained out of marks in MSCIT. बर, मला असं म्हणायचंय की त्यांनी रायगड किल्ला पाहिला आहे, बघितला आहे. कसं होईल? करूयात आपण. सांगा. सब्जेक्ट, मी अनेक विषय बोलतो. दे. व्हॉट शुड आय यूज हिअर? हॅव. पाहण्यासाठी तुम्ही कोणताही शब्द घेऊ शकता. मी इथं व्हिजिट हा शब्द घेतो. दे हॅव व्हिजिटेड रायगड फोर्ट. They have visited रायगड फोर्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेंटेन्स. छत्रपती संभाजी महाराजांनी 4 पुस्तके लिहिली आहेत. यस. सब्जेक्ट. हू? छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज. देन has. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj has written, third form of right, written 4 books. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj has written 4 books. 2023 चा वर्ल्ड कप ऑस्ट्रेलियाने जिंकला आहे. उलट केलं होतं. ऑस्ट्रेलियाने 2023 चा वर्ल्ड कप जिंकला आहे. करा. ऑस्ट्रेलिया हॅज, पण आजकाल हॅव पण घ्यायलेत बरं का. फॉर एक्झाम्पल इंडिया हॅव, ती इंडियन टीम जरी असली तरी ते हॅज न घेता नाव डेज हॅव इज युज्ड देअर, पण आपण हॅज घेऊयात. कसं होईल? ऑस्ट्रेलिया हॅज, थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ विन, ओन वर्ल्ड कप ऑफ 2023. ऑस्ट्रेलिया हॅज ओन वर्ल्ड कप. हे माझं मूळ वाक्य होतं. ऑफ 2023. मला असं म्हणायचंय, आम्ही आमचे संगणक, कम्प्युटर दुरुस्त केले आहे. यस. रिपेअर. आम्ही आमचे संगणक दुरुस्त केले आहे. सब्जेक्ट. हू? we. What should I use here? Have or has? Have. दुरुस्त करणे, repair. Third form, repaired our computer. We have repaired our computer. Okay. So now I am giving you a verb. Make your own sentence with the help of this verb, and that is get. Get, first form. You have to use get in present perfect tense, means you should use third form of get. Okay. And one sentence in Marathi. मला असं म्हणायचे, तो गावाला गेला आहे. Try to translate it into English. एक इंग्रजी देतो. I have informed you. I have informed you. I have informed you. So you should try to translate this sentence into Marathi. Okay. So it was present perfect tense affirmative. Thank you.